We got another one here. Nasdaq is assessing how to offer cryptocurrency futures in a very different way than its competitors. Ronaldo, welcome. Nairo hockey fan, welcome. JMC, welcome. Hey, Rick Myrie, how's it going? Yeah, Rick, I saw you sent me a message on Messenger. I haven't taken a look at it because I keep going live on Periscope. But yeah, Rick actually is a guy that was just on my previous scope. He's actually my, I think, number 3. Hey, LT Miller, you're actually my number 10 super fan now, by the way. Rick Myrie was on one of my scopes earlier, and he's in the health business. Hey, there's Rick right there. Rick and I have known each other for about probably 15 years, 14 years in the real estate business. We go way back, way back. And he had a good testimonial video put out the other day for, he's also from the roofing sales business as well as the real estate business. So him and I talk a lot about like real estate, motivated seller, owner financing, investing. So we can talk on some more scopes about investing and stuff, but he's also with a company with longevity. He's been able to get some really great, for those that want to reinvest in their health, get some huge breakthroughs in the health field with some pretty cool stuff. And I've been meaning to connect you, Rick, with Paradise Pets, who's on here. I don't think he's on this one yet. There's Dell Foreclosure, another one of my real estate people here. So you can meet Rick Myrie at some point. Paradise Pets is in I think I told you, an essential oil business. He's probably a good connection for you. I have been waiting for him to reach out to me on Messenger, but he's like my number 3 super fan, so he's on all of these scopes, and he'd be a good connection for you, Rick. I have not been trading futures. I just wanted to kind of give a highlight on CNBC and what they're saying on this. Hey, Coin Show, good to see you back. Coin Show's on here a lot as well. I'm doing really good. So for you just joining us, we got my friend right there. Sounds great, Ron. First of many scopes tonight. Okay, good. Yeah, so Rick, if we can get you on some scopes too, that'd be awesome. So Rick's good friends with a couple marketing clients I work with as well. But yeah, him and I were attending. Remember, we attended Tom Kish's seminar back in the day. We attended the Real Estate Club back in the day. Maybe I didn't tell you this, Rick. I joined MnREA a couple weeks ago. I don't know, or a week ago, or 2 weeks ago. I don't know if I told you that, but yeah, we go, yep. Yeah, you know, I actually didn't really start connecting with people until 2003, but yeah, about November 2002, I went to the Robert Allen seminar. So we were there, we just didn't know each other at the time until probably a few months later. But yeah, I don't know if I told you, but I'm joined MnREA again, the Real Estate Club for investors. Anyways, are they stocks you like? Are there any real estate related stocks you like? You know, I haven't followed it's a good question. I haven't followed any real estate specific stocks. I like long-term investing. I like buying things at a discount. Rick has actually flipped over 100 properties, actually, and he's done some land as well. So he's a good person to ask. Dell Foreclosures on is a good person to ask about flipping houses and making profits as well. Yeah, so I'm part of a couple real estate investor clubs now, and Rick, who's on here, is part of MnREA as well when we were there in the early days. And I'll be connecting with Rick at MnREA, I guess, first Tuesday of this next month here. So and we'll be able to get you some scopes about that as well for those who want to know more about the real estate business. And we also have Dell Foreclosure on here, who's in that business. Rick, if you happen to catch one of my other scopes here in Paradise Pets pops on here, go ahead and connect with him. He'd be a good person to connect with about your health stuff. So this particular article is Nasdaq is assessing how to offer cryptocurrency futures in a way that's different than its competitors. And Nasdaq is looking into Bitcoin futures. They don't have a timeline on the launch yet. They are developing a product, and they are looking at the risk management around it, and they are looking for the right protocols, and they're making sure yeah, sure, Rick, and they're making sure that it has proper demand. And they also want to make it different from CBOE or CME, which were the futures in the past month or two for the whole crypto Bitcoin thing. It's actually Bitcoin. So thanks for all the hearts, Dell Foreclosure. So that's kind of the latest what's going on. As you know, Nasdaq is just like New York Stock Exchange. It's pretty large, and it's more of a tech-related stocks. That's where a lot of the top tech stocks that you know are there. So they're going to allow people to trade probably like a Bitcoin through some kind of future or something a little bit more unique versus just the exchanges. So Yeah, it was good to see Rick on this one. I'll be doing one more quick one at least. That's going to be about ICOs and some of that kind of stuff. So, yeah, it should be a good one. And if we see Rick on again, that'd be great. And I'll do some future ones with Rick on real estate investing and reinvesting into health as well. And I hope, Rick, you get a chance to connect with Beth Hoover, who's on a lot of these as well on Messenger. Welcome, Extreme Garden. See you guys.